Looking for the best juicers for carrots for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 juicers for carrots that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a juicers for carrots that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended juicers for carrots. Number 1 on the list is Tribus GSE 5010 Greenstar Elite. The Tribus GSE 5010 Greenstar Elite made the top of our list because it offered excellent performance in most of our performance tests. This juicer is highly versatile and also good value for money, being capable of many applications besides juicing. We like how this highly durable juicer comes with an extended 12-year warranty, and, like many of the users who tested it, we loved its timeless design that fits well in any kitchen. This juicer may look a bit daunting when it comes to assembling it, but the results are well worth it. The appliance is very easy to handle because it has no knobs, which means that it is easier to clean than previous versions. A drip tray is included so you don't make a mess on the countertop when juicing, and you can also expect a plethora of accessories that are suitable for various types of vegetables and fruit, including a juicing screen, glass pitcher, cleaning brush, and more. The bioceramic and magnetic technology of this juicer means that while being very powerful, the appliance only applies minimal heat generation for the juice, delaying oxidation and, in turn, prolonging the shelf life of the product. Users like the juicer can handle harder vegetables such as carrots effortlessly, while also providing an amazing yield quickly. Many reviewers mentioned that unlike other machines, this one does an especially good job at combining hard vegetables with leafy greens such as kale or spinach. If hard veggies are your priority, then look into getting one of the best twin-gear juicers available, as they're particularly suited to this task. Second on the list is Hurom HP Slow Juicer. If you are looking for an affordable juicer that also comes with an extensive warranty, then we recommend Hurom HP Slow Juicer, which offers a 10-year limited warranty for the motor and 2 years for the other components. As the name suggests, this is a masticating model with slow spinning blades that yield more juice. You can feed most fruits and vegetables into it for your daily dose of vitamins. Some users recommend adding hard produce like beets or carrots when juicing leafy green vegetables to maximize output. The juicer has an elegant vertical design and dimensions of 20 by 11.5 by 8.5 inches that would fit on counters with limited space. Since it has a small feed chute, we advise you to cut fruits to 1-inch pieces that will not clog and advance them slowly into the auger. Hurom HP Slow Juicer is equipped with a reverse switch to fix jamming issues and duplicate safety sensors which prevent the juicer from operating if the chamber is not properly assembled on the base. It also features stainless steel blades powered by a 150-watt motor. Number 3 on the list is Breville 800HDS, made in Australia. The Breville 800HDS is a centrifugal juicer that offers quick results, which makes it the best choice out there for everyday use. The juicer comes with 2 settings, a 6,500 RPM one for softer foods, and a 13,000 RPM one for harder fruit and vegetables such as carrots, beets, and apples. Users liked the pulp container that is quite large at 3.2 quarts, and they also mentioned the foam protector that comes with the jug that eliminates the possibility of foam getting into your juice. This Breville juicer is very easy to use, according to many customers, and the fact that there are only 2 settings means that you don't have to fiddle much with the appliance before you obtain a glass of delicious juice. The wide chute reduces the prep time considerably, because you can see the appliance entire carrots or garden vegetables only cut in 2. The cutting disc is very effective and can handle everything from leafy greens such as spinach and kale to carrots and beets. Users mentioned that the juice obtained with this appliance is quite free from pulp, and that the machine is not that noisy when compared with similar models. An automatic shut-off function and safety mechanisms for the motor are a good prevention against overstressing the juicer. Number 4 on the list is Hamilton Beach 67951. If you don't want to spend too much on a juicer, but still want great results for all kinds of vegetables and fruit, the Hamilton Beach 67951 is one of the best choices around. This horizontal masticating juicer creates high-quality fresh, cold-pressed juice while being less noisy and more energy-friendly than other juicers of its kind. Many users noticed that because this is a masticating juicer, it creates the results in less separation than centrifugal models. This is an excellent choice for juicing greens such as kale and spinach, with users raving about how it extracts up to twice more juice from these. Moreover, this appliance is suitable for making soy, rice, or almond milk. The Hamilton Beach 67951 comes with a recipe booklet, so you can get started right away, but you can also create your own combinations. Users raved about how easy it is to clean this juicer because it is easy to dismantle the parts and place them in the dishwasher, except for the base. That is easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. Other reviewers mentioned that the machine feels sturdy, and even though the chute doesn't look too large, it is easy to insert fruit and vegetables for a quick glass of juice. Finally, many users mentioned that the machine is not very noisy and that it doesn't consume too much energy thanks to its 150 watts motor. Number 5 on the list is Omega NC800HDS. The Omega NC800 is a highly versatile juicer that is also very efficient and easy to use. According to users, this juicer does a great job at extracting juice from both fruits and vegetables, as well as from nuts and greens such as wheatgrass and spinach. With only 80 revolutions per minute, you are sure to get the maximum output, and the juicer rejects the pulp automatically. Most users like the ease of use that makes the Omega NC800 one of the most intuitive appliances of this kind on the market. And they also mentioned that the appliance is easy to clean. This is a great option if you are looking for a machine that can do more than just squeezing juice from vegetables. The Omega NC800 is also ideal for extracting almond and soy milk and also for preparing baby food. The masticating process makes this juice highly effective, leading to very high yields of juice and leaving the pulp almost dry when ejecting it automatically. Many users noticed that the noise levels remain constantly low with this juicer, even when you feed it harder stuff such as nuts. 5 settings are available for efficient extraction of juice, and the appliance is portable when compared to other juicers in its class, as it only weighs 20 pounds. Just now is a list of 5 best juicers for carrots that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.